It's my understanding that at the time of this shooting, there was no security on site.
Families of two men murdered at Bell Tower Shops say their deaths could have been prevented. A shooter gunned down Javarcia Riggins and Kevin Robinson last week outside TGI Fridays.
The shooting happened on the southeast end of the mall, right in front of TGI Fridays in Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, the lawsuit claims there was no security in that area and no cameras to help catch the shooter. NBC2's Jacqueline Beavis is live near the mall tonight, breaking down the lawsuit.
Things have returned mostly to normal, but cleanup still underway. The plywood covering that window and even an evidence marker still showing where bullets hit not far from Bell Tower Shops. I saw a security guard out here earlier today on a golf cart, but these two lawsuits say that security guard was nowhere in sight the night of the murders.
Mall security was absent.
That's the message from attorney Joe North, representing the families of Kevin Robinson and Javarcia Riggins.
Security is supposed to be a deterrent, and because there was no security present, that's why that perpetrator felt comfortable to go and commit that crime.
The shooting at Bell Tower Shops taking the lives of the two men and still under investigation in the search for the killer.
I'm a little more aware. It's kind of scary in a sense, because we really don't know what's actually going on.
The lawsuit filed against Bell Tower Shops and TGI Fridays says it's not just the gunman who's responsible, but the property owners.
As a property owner who profits from the community, it has a duty to protect the community, and that duty includes having proper security in place.
While business gets back to normal at Bell Tower, patrons want more done to keep them safe.
We need more at night because everyone goes to society. You really don't see that many security guys at night.
Too late for the families of these two men, but North hopes other places step up their efforts to keep you safe.
Give a message to these property owners to have better security so that this does not happen to somebody else's family.
I did reach out to both TGI Fridays and the Bell Tower Shops today. They did send me a statement, both saying that safety is a top priority, but they could not comment on pending lawsuits. Their full statements are on the NBC2 app. Reporting live in Lee County.